Hello everyone! It may seem like I've been obsessed with my new drone lately, and while I love the amazing videos, I have also been taking advantage of the awesome locations from under the water as well. Today is mainly about checking out the sea life in the area, but I'm not opposed to grabbing some lobster if the opportunity presents itself. There isn't a whole lot in this area, but it is still great to explore. There are more videos coming soon, so be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.